What's good? It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another video. This video, you done seen the title, the Corsa Double H pipe. I want to give you guys, it's not going to be a cold start. I've been driving around, so it's going to be a warm start. The car is set on normal, so you'll get a chance to hear it just crank up on normal. But I want to do the different drive modes. Well, not drive modes, but exhaust modes, the quiet, the normal, and the track and sport, same thing. I wanted you guys to get a hearing of how it sounds. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. This is the Corsa Double H pipe, sold through Lethal Performance. You can either get it at Corsa or at Lethal Performance. You can get this H pipe nowhere else but on those two sites. So I want you guys to let me know what you think. I think it sounds real good. It's going to sound even better with headers. Those will be on the way further into the build. You guys already know I got to start on my suspension first, then we'll trickle down to the headers, and then we'll go on down to the built trash, the drive shaft, then the supercharger, you know, with fuel system and all. But before we get into it, I just want to show you the Mad Titan 3.0 in all its glory. Just got it washed. As you can see, I got the gas tank is open. But yeah, in all its glory, been washed. That's the new carbonized gray. It really stands out. I really love this color. I'm not even gonna lie, I miss Mad Titan 2.0 with the Kenny Bell. It was fast. It was a fast car. It was a beautiful car. But I have to say, I really do have to say now, Mad Titan 3.0 is going to be a tremendous upgrade. Not only does it have the 10-speed auto, and once I get it built, it will be stout. The color is just off the charts to me. I already have a vision. You already know how I like it. I like it simple and clean. This route, I'm just going to go with the simple grill, not delete, but the Savini's grill setup that first jumped off with the 2018s. Of course, you know I'm going to delete the decklet, take the GT off. I got to go with my carbon fiber wing. That's signature to me. But as you can see, it is beautiful. It's a beautiful piece. Ford knows what they're doing. Yeah, the narrow face, it still looks mean. It looks sharkish. Can't wait till the dark horse hit. I'm really got my eyes set on the dark horse. That will be a daily driver for me if I'm able to get it, which I believe I will be able to get it. Now, I'm not going to be the first ones to grab it, because you know everything has to go through its phase. It has to have the kinks worked out, the recalls and all that good stuff that goes on with brand new setups and brand new vehicles and software and systems and all of that. So I will be closer in the mid of it, almost towards the end, but the dark horse will be a daily driver for me, and this car right here will be the daily driver, the super fast daily driver in the beginning, but it will be the weekend car. You know what I'm saying? So I won't touch the dark horse. The only thing that I only see myself doing with the dark horse is maybe dealing with the suspension, with lowering it with, because I'm pretty sure it's going to have Magna ride, so it's got to have the suspension, the lowering springs for Magna ride and all that kind of stuff, and headers. I definitely got to have the headers because it really wakes up the car, and I'm really not looking forward to nothing else. It's already designed the way I would like it. I would just get the original first edition that Ford brought out, the color and all, which I believe is the Blue Ember. Yeah, it's the Blue Ember, I believe. If not, it's one of those colors, you guys know. But we're gonna get right into the video. Here we go. started off with quiet, then I went back into normal, then I jumped right on into track because it doesn't make any sense to do sport and track. They're pretty much the same. With the stop mufflers, I believe though, once I put the headers on, it's really gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be deep, it's gonna be loud, it's gonna be rowdy. Corsa really knocked it out the park with this double H pipe setup. I really like it. Corsa is known for the X and the double X. They're known for being raspy and loud and good stuff like that. But now we got us a nice deep tone to go along with the Corsa Extremes, where it'll be deep and loud. Of course, it'll get a rasp sound as it hits up top, and that's all right, because those are the coyotes howling towards the moon, and we all love the way the coyotes howl towards the moon. But once again, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. The gang is getting bigger, the family is growing. But get me out there, guys. We're on our way. We're on our way. Things take time. Greatness takes time. Like they say, good things come to those who wait. So I am very patient. I believe in you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for sticking it out with me. Yes, even with the situation with Mad Time 2.0, I'm glad that you guys didn't drop off. It's unfortunate, things do happen, but that didn't kill my spirit. It's not gonna stop the way that this channel grows and move forward and progress. We're only gonna get stronger. We're only gonna get faster. Mustang muscle. Peace.